Feeling a little lost when it comes to your finances? Maybe budget is a four-letter word in your vocabulary? Don't worry, we've all been there. But what if I told you creating a budget could be the key to unlocking your financial freedom and achieving your dreams? That's right, a budget can be your financial superhero utility belt, and today, we're going to show you exactly how to build one that actually works. Step 1. Track your spending. Become a financial bloodhound. Before you can create a budget, you need to be a financial bloodhound and sniff out where your money is actually going. Grab a notebook, spreadsheet, or even your favorite budgeting app, we'll get to those in a minute, and track your expenses for a month. Every coffee, every grocery trip, every online purchase, write it all down. This will be your spending baseline. Be honest with yourself, even those small, daily lattes add up. Step 2. Know your income, the money flow. Figure out how much money you bring in each month, after taxes. This includes your salary, side hustles, or any other income sources. Think of this as your financial wellspring. How much water, money, is flowing in each month? Step 3. Categorize your expenses, separating needs from wants. Now, categorize your expenses. Think essentials like rent/mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation. These are your financial pillars, the foundation of your spending. Then factor in non-essentials like entertainment, dining out, and subscriptions. These are more like lifestyle sprinkles, adding flavor but not essential for the structure. Step 4. The big picture, budgeting frameworks. As your guide, there are several popular budgeting frameworks that can help you create a spending plan that works for you. Here are a few to consider. 50/30/20 rule. This classic approach suggests allocating 50% of your income towards needs, essentials you can't live without like housing, food, and transportation. 30% towards wants, fun stuff, entertainment, dining out, hobbies, etc. 20% towards financial goals, building your financial future through savings and debt repayment. Zero-based budgeting. This method emphasizes assigning every dollar of your income a job. You list all your income sources and then categorize your planned expenses for the month until your income and expenses reach zero. This approach can be helpful for people who want to be very intentional with their spending and ensure they're not wasting any money. Envelope budgeting. This is a more traditional method that involves allocating cash to different spending categories, needs versus wants, in separate envelopes. You can only spend the cash that's in each envelope, helping you stay on track and avoid overspending. Step 5. Be realistic and flexible. Building a budget you can live with. Don't set yourself up for failure with unrealistic goals. Unexpected expenses pop up, that's life. Build some wiggle room into your budget for those situations. Think of your budget as a roadmap, not a rigid train track. There will be detours, but as long as you're generally headed in the right direction, you'll be okay. Step 6. Track and review. Monitoring your progress is key to success. Don't just create a budget and forget it. Regularly track your spending and compare it to your budgeted amounts. This will help you identify areas where you're sticking to the plan and areas where you might need to adjust. Be honest with yourself, are those daily lattes still fitting in your budget? Maybe it's time to explore making your coffee at home. But don't beat yourself up if you have a setback. Remember, budgets are a tool to help you reach your financial goals, not a punishment. Be flexible and willing to adapt your budget as your needs and circumstances change. Here are some tips for successful tracking and review. Set a recurring reminder. Schedule some time in your calendar, weekly or bi-weekly, to review your spending. Consistency is key. Use the tools you have. Many budgeting apps allow you to import your bank transactions automatically, making tracking a breeze. Be honest and transparent. Don't fudge the numbers or hide transactions from yourself. A clear picture of your spending is essential for making informed adjustments. Celebrate your wins. Did you stick to your grocery budget this month? High-five yourself. Recognizing your progress will help you stay motivated. Budgeting apps to help you out, your financial sidekick. Now, let's talk apps. There are tons of fantastic budgeting apps out there, acting as your financial sidekick. Here are a few popular options. Mint, a free app that helps you track spending, create budgets, and set financial goals. It can be a great way to get started with budgeting and see your overall financial picture. In-app, you need a budget. This app uses a unique budgeting method that focuses on assigning every dollar a job. It forces you to be intentional with your spending and can be a powerful tool for people who want to take control of their finances. There's a free trial and then a monthly subscription fee. Personal Capital. This free app offers a comprehensive overview of your finances, including budgeting, investment tracking, and net worth calculations. It's a good option for people who want a more holistic view of their financial situation. Remember, the best budgeting app is the one that works for you. Download a few, give them a try, and see which one helps you stay on track and reach your financial goals. So there you have it, folks. With a little planning, some budgeting magic, and maybe the help of a cool app, you can take control of your finances and start feeling more confident about your future. Remember, FC&K is here to be your financial knowledge companion, so if you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome personal finance tips. We'll see you next time.